Yeah, I finally had some success with the birds that the cats bring in. See that little guy right there? Let's see if I can find him. Yeah, he was just in this box. There's two of them in there, one now. And what I did is I put some straw in there, kind of made like a nest. I put them in that box, and the other one's still in there. And they're getting to that point where they can finally fly. And that one's pretty much a good flyer, and it's just a bad day to fly. Look at that wind. It's a good day or bad day to learn how to fly. And hopefully he'll be strong enough, or she'll be strong enough to, you know, pass on her DNA. Anyway, make a box, kind of put it up high where a cat can't get it. And I don't know if the one in there still needs food or anything from its parents. Probably not. They're at that age where they're just learning to fly. So hopefully the other one will make it too. They could have come down from, like, say, that nest. I don't know what's in that nest. But you can see how windy it is today. Look at some of these trees. And I don't think she's the culprit. She doesn't even have bottom teeth anymore, but how you doing, Revka? How you doing?